We need to talk.
It's about your recycling habits.
You're doing it wrong. You're killing the turtles.
You need to think about your consequences.
Recycle! Recycle! Recycle!
What are you guys doing here?
We're here because we care about you, Dylan.
The way you're recycling now, you're doing it wrong and it's unacceptable.
I'm great at recycling, what?
Don't worry. It's great that you're recycling, but you're doing it wrong. Don't worry, others are just like you.
Hold on. What do you guys know about recycling anyways?
We're the ones that have to pick up after you when you recycle, and we know what kind of contaminants you put in the recycling bin.
Here, let's show you.
Where am I?
We're in your recycling bin, Dylan.
What is this?
We told you, this is your recycling bin.
Most non-recyclables end up in the bin, not because of malicious intent.
At least I hope not.
Most of them want to actually help the environment.
Most people think that throwing everything in the recycling bin is better, but if you don't know what's recyclable, just throw it in the trash.
This half-empty soda can, for example, is not recyclable. This is because food and drinks are not recyclable materials.
The can itself is recyclable. However, because the drink is inside of it, it is not. More often than not, people tend to recycle the entire can with the drink inside of it instead of rinsing out the can itself.
So, in throwing away this half-empty soda can, you're actually just tossing all the other recyclable materials in the bin into the landfill.
About 25% of American recycling is actually contaminated, but we can resolve this if we all learn how to recycle properly.
Some things you think are recyclable maybe aren't. For instance, coffee cups, plastic bags, and receipts are not recyclable. Yet people still do. The fact that you're recycling paper, plastic, and glass is great though. It should be recycled. However, that should be done properly.
Food waste and food contaminated items like pizza boxes and used paper plates are not recyclable either. Food should be composted or thrown out. 53% of people say they can recycle pizza boxes, and 68% say they could recycle used plastic utensils. None of those are recyclable. Additionally, if you throw away your old tissues, there are going to be issues. We have to clean that up, and that's nasty.
In your case, Dylan, by throwing away non-recyclables in the recycle bin, you're ruining everyone's chance to help the environment.
Living near the beach is great, and there are some really big issues we are creating that can be solved.
What is contamination?
As Stanford Recycling says, contamination happens when non-recyclables are mixed with recyclables.
So there's a huge gray area here. We all know that there's paper, plastic, glass, and metal. However, what do we do with paper towels and other things like that?
One good thing to take note of in this whole journey is when in doubt, throw it out.
What can be recycled exactly?
Well, there are many different resources which can tell you what is recyclable, such as our own Huntington Beach city government, which says that plastics, glass, cardboard, paper, and metals are all recyclable.
Now that we decently know what to recycle, let's take a look at the effect that our waste has on the environment around us.
Where am I? Hold on. Why am I at the beach? And why is it nighttime?
Well, Dylan, through the power of video editing, we are now at the beach, and I guess it is also nighttime.
What is this video editing?
Well, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Living where we are, we seriously take the beach for granted.
To start off, a lot of our own waste can contaminate the oceans, oftentimes harming the sea creatures that live inside of it. In order to help this, we should make sure that we throw away all of our trash whenever we're at the beach.
Okay, but what if I try throwing away my trash and it flies away?
You can go run and catch it. You're an able-bodied person with legs. You can go run.
Even though the term save the turtles is taken as a joke, many animals are being affected by the waste that goes into the environment. Over 100,000 marine animals died because of the waste.
Okay, I think I get it now. But how do I get home?
Good question.
Bye, Dylan.
Like,